afternoon to you, all of you, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank Government of Uttar Pradesh for giving such a wonderful opportunity for NASSCOM and personally for me, because I must confess that my association or relation with Uttar Pradesh was limited so far to just Noida. And this is the first time that I have come to Lucknow. And I'm amazed. I'm amazed by the overall feel, the moment of truth as you come out of the airport and you get into the city and you realize the kind of environment and the hospitality, the warmth in the air, whatever that we have heard about Lucknow and Uttar Pradesh, I felt that since morning and I'm so delighted. I was listening the morning session and that gave a huge perception shift to an outsider like me, and when I'm saying outsider like me, I'm considering myself as a layman. Perception is reality, and if the perception is reality, I must tell the world that the perception is wrong. Change the perception because the reality is different. What we hear since morning and what we have listened to, the senior officers of government talking about various policies, various huge visions and unrolling of the vision, that gives us very strong confidence. As industry, businesses, people, to look at Uttar Pradesh. To my mind, जो सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिल को पार करते हैं. जो सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिल को पार करते हैं. हौसला सिर्फ ये रखना है कि हमें शुरू करना है. हौसला सिर्फ ये रखना है, हमें सिर्फ ये हौसला रखना है कि शुरुआत कहां से करें. उसके बाद अच्छे इंसानों की तो रास्ते के भी इंतजार करते हैं. अच्छे इंसान, अच्छे बिजनेस का इंतजार रास्ते भी करते हैं. And I think this is where the opportunity has been paved by government of Uttar Pradesh. Very delighted because NASSCOM, अभी हम infrastructure की बात कर रहे थे. Our first president, Mr. Devang Mehta, in mid-90s have said, roti, kapda, makan, these are the basic need of people, of mankind. And he added in 1995-96 time frame, roti, kapda, makan, bijli and bandwidth. Now if we have bijli, bandwidth, and we are talking of infrastructure, we are talking of the support that IT industry would require, the environment that IT industry would require, and this is where we are drawing. वो ज़माना अलग था जब raw material जहाँ मिलता था वहाँ manufacturing units जाते थे. Now wherever there is talent, the IT industry goes there. And we have seen that. To start with from Noida, IT technology services, embedded software, these are the kind of industries which are developing, and that requires a very, very separate kind of, or a unique kind of talent, and which is available in the state. Coming to Lucknow, and we are focusing here. What we have listened and what we are experiencing and what we are going to see, the kind of changes that are happening in the state, the kind of leadership that has been provided by Honorable Chief Minister and everyone down the line. वो जो कहते थे पहले आप में गाड़ी छूट जाएगी, we now can confidently tell the industry that if you will do पहले आप, उत्तर प्रदेश की गाड़ी आपके लिए छूट जाएगी. I think it is important for the businesses to look at Uttar Pradesh to see that here is the potential. We did a A.T. Kearney study in 2008 where we said that there are leader locations, there are challengers locations, there are followers and there are aspirants. And we said that 90% of the revenues are generated out of 7 leader locations. And 90% of the employment is generated within the leader locations. By 2018, this was a 10-year projection in the report, we said that whether we like it or not, the leader locations will have to grow 2.5 times. And that includes Noida as an NCR leader location. 2.5 times the location will grow, will have to grow. But the 43 other locations, and that includes Kanpur, Lucknow, and Allahabad, 43 other locations will grow 18 times of 2008 status. So when the growth is irreversible, and to answer your question, when there are projects which are incomplete due to multiple reasons that we have seen in IT industry, in world economic scenario, in a kind of downturns, we thought that it will be a very small kind of a V kind of a downturn. We realized it was a bucket downturn. But now the world is coming out, the industry is coming out, and we are seeing the change, we are seeing the optimism, we are seeing that the hiring is now getting back on track, though it will be just-in-time hiring, but still the trend is positive. And once there are indicators of growth, I'm sure there will be pressure to complete infrastructure, there will be pressures on the various government departments to ensure that there is a process which is on fast track. And this gives me the confidence that, and we have been discussing with multiple global companies where they are very confident that the cost advantage of India is not going to go away for the next 15, 20 years. I'm saying with the tier 2, tier 3 locations that are now becoming powerful, where the government is focusing their resources, their energies to grow those locations, this advantage for India is going to last for many, many more years. And to conclude, I would say, looking at the, I think there is an influence of Lucknow on me today, and I would say that एक ना एक शमा अंधेरे में जलाए रखिए, सुबह होने को है माहौल बनाए रखिए, कौन जाने कि फिर वो किस राह गुजर से गुजरे. The opportunity can come from anywhere. कौन जाने कि फिर वो किस राह गुजर से गुजरे, हर राह गुजर को फूलों से सजाए रखिए. Thank you very much.